Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can delete your Facebook page, and it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead into any browser you want and simply go to facebook.com, as I am doing right over here. And what you want to do is on the right side, it's going to show you your pages right over here, as you can see, and you want to simply go ahead and click on the page you want to delete. And once you have done that, on the left side, as you can see, there is a manage page tab, where if you scroll all the way down, there is going to be your settings tab. Click on that, and once you have done that, this page will pop up, where on the bottom of your screen there is a remove page button, and you want to simply click on that, and you can delete your page by clicking on delete your page's name and click on save changes, and your page should be deleted. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.